now we're gonna play a little bit with some parameters of the square oscillator to see what we can do to change a little bit the behavior of the blinking of the LED. So if we look at a square oscillator and the value it takes in time, the oscillator will change, will switch from 1 to 0 and then to 1 again, and it will do so at every at a regular period. So, for example, 1 second, 2 seconds. So the larger the period, kind of the slower the blinking will be happening. There's another parameter that we can use, which is called the duty cycle, and this represents the proportion of the period during which the oscillator is on duty. So basically, how long is it at 1 and how long is it at 0 or off? On and off. So this one will be represented as a percentage, or if you prefer, a value between 0 and 1. So for example, if I picture here different kinds of square waves with the same period, here I would have a square wave with maybe a duty cycle of 25%, whereas in here I would have the opposite, so a duty cycle of 75%, for example. Now in the code, we can express this by doing the following. And we'll do this in the begin function, because this is something that we're just going to set once and for all. So we can change the duty cycle by simply calling square.dutyCycle. Call the function duty cycle on our object square and put it at some value, any value between 0 and 1. So you can upload that code, and then you can, I suggest that, and you'll see the effect, I suggest that you try different values for both the period, which is here is 1.0, you can change that for 2.0 or for 0.5. And same thing here with the duty cycle, you can try to change it to something very, very small or something very, very, very big.